Today, I'm challenging myself to create some incredible wall painting designs that you can easily try at home. Let's see how creative I can get. If you're like me, you've probably walked into a room and thought, there's just something missing. Often, it's the walls that can make or break the vibe of a space. The great news is that you don't need to be a pro painter to give your home a fresh new look. With a little creativity and some basic painting skills, you can transform any room into a stunning masterpiece. Many of us struggle with where to start when it comes to refreshing our walls. One common challenge is a lack of ideas. It can be overwhelming to decide on a design that fits your style. Another issue is the fear of commitment to bold colors or patterns. What if you choose a color that you end up hating? Or what if you're not sure where to start and end up with a room that's unevenly painted? I totally get it. It's normal to feel uncertain. These are valid concerns, but the truth is there are countless easy wall painting designs that can help you achieve a professional-looking result without breaking a sweat. You might be surprised at just how easy it is to give your walls a stunning makeover. For instance, sometimes all it takes is one bold accent wall to completely revamp a room. You could also try incorporating geometric patterns or stripes to add some visual interest. Stencils are another great option, allowing you to create intricate designs with ease. With stencils, you can achieve a professional-looking finish without needing to be a skilled painter. One technique that I find particularly eye-catching is the ombre effect. This involves gradating one color into another, creating a beautiful, multi-dimensional look. To achieve this effect, start by selecting two or more colors that complement each other. Then, use a sponge or a brush to blend the colors, working from one end of the wall to the other. The result is a stunning gradient-like effect that adds depth and visual interest to any room. Plus, it's incredibly easy to do. In addition to ombre, another standout technique is the use of metallic paint. This can add a touch of glamour to any room and can be used to create a variety of different effects, from subtle accents to bold statements. Metallic paint can be used on its own or paired with other colors to create a unique look. To get started with any of these designs, remember that the key is to have fun and be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's all part of the process. And if you're feeling stuck, try searching for inspiration online or in home decor magazines. In conclusion, giving your walls a fresh new look doesn't have to be daunting. With these easy wall painting designs, you can transform your home in no time. Whether you choose to go bold with an accent wall or get creative with stencils, the possibilities are endless. So, which design will you try first? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more DIY home improvement ideas, be sure to check out my other videos for inspiration.